Magbasa ka na. Anong nakalagay dyan? A.
This is a coup.
Ku.
Yeah, coup.
Aha, may ku.
First, we'll have to use the words of English. This is a papa. This is a mom and
O, anong number ito?
Bila.
Bila. Yeah, this is Bila, baby.
Ito,
Baby,
Bila.
baby, anong number yan?
This is 9.
O, sabihin mo na.
3.
Three.
3.
3. O, this one.
Oh, what's this? This is 9.
9.
This is 11. Myself is 1.
1. And,
Oh, this is 9. This is 6 bila.
o, anong letter ito?
1 bila, 2 bila. 2 bila.
O, anong letter ito? B.
This is a B.
B.
Bus.
O, ito.
This is a bila.
I.
Oh,
Ano yung I? E. E.
there.
Eagle. L. Ano to?
And
Ano to?
it's apple.
Apple. Bravo.
This is a bila. Mama Emma. So,
O, anong number yan?
this is 9. This is 9. That's not bad.